Under Mortuary Admission module, there are two types of admissions. One is where the person was already deceased when being brought in, and the other is when the person was admitted at the facility. To admit a person who was brought already deceased, the user has to click on the Brought Deceased button. They then have to fill in the person's details. They have to fill in the person's first name and the patient's last name. They also have to select the date of birth. They then have to select the gender, the nationality, the country, the state, the district, the town, and then the area. Next, the users have to fill in the guarantor details. They have to fill the guarantor's name, the guarantor's relationship to the deceased, the guarantor's mobile number, and the guarantor's address. The users also have to key in the corpse admission details. They have to indicate whether the person was identified or not. They have to indicate the date of death. They then have to indicate the place of death. They also have to indicate whether the person was discharged from the hospital. They then have to indicate the date the corpse was admitted to the mortuary. Then they have to fill in the weight of the corpse and then the length of the corpse. Next, they have to select the mortuary block which the corpse was admitted to. Then they have to select the chamber. After that, they have to fill in the cause of death and also add additional information. Then they have to select the name of the person who did the registration, then click on Save.